So now you've had multiple podcasts, you've
Mhm.
recorded a lot. Do you still edit your own podcast or is that something that you outsource?
No, I still edit all of my own, and I'll tell you a secret, Crystal. You might like this. Is I do very little editing,
Yep.
and,
Yep.
and I say that on purpose because I think I've seen so many people in different communities talking about this topic and how many hours they invest in editing.
Yep.
And it's like, oh, I don't want to do that. And if I get to that point, I'll absolutely outsource it. But I do very little editing. And I've learned just to be comfortable with what I put out there is okay for now. And I continue to work on steady improvement.
Yeah. 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 And we're in the same boat. We're 100% in the same boat.
You
I
taught
mean,
me that.
unless yeah, and that's the thing is like I don't think you would be sitting here today having how many episodes? Do you think hundreds of episodes under your belt that you've recorded over the years? What would be your guess?
Yeah, at least close to 500 overall.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. And I think about if you hadn't just started or gotten so caught up with it, like you might still be like so many of our dear listeners, like I love y'all. This is my tough love to you is you're sitting there so hard on yourself or you're so anxious that your voice doesn't sound great or I hate the sound of my voice and you continue to not publish the things that you're recording and it just breaks my heart because man, if you could just get it out there, get it out into the world, Dan and I can promise you, like it gets so much easier, so much easier. So